Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're going to show you how we've made Minnie and a Mickey Mouse, and this is one of them right here. So they're made out of apples and marshmallows, and this is how we do it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up please, and please leave your comments in the section below. It's always lovely and I always try to answer every single one of you back, show you what you need to buy and how you're going to do it. And it's really simple because I'm not great in the kitchen. If I can do it, anybody can. So this is what you need to buy. You need to buy your marshmallows, you need Mikado Sticks, you need hundreds and thousands. You want shoelaces. Now I've kept them in a packet. Excuse sugars everywhere. There you go. You have to, you can't see that. Shoelaces. This is to make Mickey Mouse's bow, so I just got these from Tesco's. I've also got Tesco's fizzy multicoloured belts. I prefer red, but that's what we've got. So we've got, and then what I've done is I've chopped them in half and then made a little bow out of them, which I'm going to show you in just a moment.
And I made like that.
Well done. And then we've also got Molly's chocolate. That's what we actually melt. This comes from Tesco's as well. It's only 30p a bar. And I put the hundreds and thousands into a bowl ready to, I can't get the camera angle a better angle for you unfortunately, because my main camera stand is actually broken. So this is what you got. You got apples, and then what you're going to do is grab the apple, put a massive sort of kebab stick in the top, and then you're going to get cocktail sticks for either side, and you want to push them in quite far in as you possibly can, because of course you don't want them poking out the top of the marshmallow. Now it doesn't matter what colour marshmallows you get because these are going to be dipped in chocolate, but you want them to sit with the rounder part on the outside. Does that make sense? So it looks like Minnie and Mickey Mouse's ears, so like so. Then I've melted a ton of chocolate, an absolute ton of chocolate, can you see that, into a bowl. So now what we're going to do, and I've also got our baking tray sheet, because obviously everything that we make is then going to go into the fridge. So baking sheet on a baking tray, and you're going to put it in the fridge after you've finished.
Mate, look.
So, oh, well done. So I'm just going to submerge, and I haven't got enough, so I'm going to...
That's not a good one.
Oh, is it not a good one? Well, you try again. No, you're not eating it. You can try again. So then you go over. You can fill it up with more, but of course you're wasting a lot of chocolate if you're not going to do anything else with it. So then pull it out. Let me make sure I've got all the marshmallows covered. Marshmallows covered this side, because the marshmallows, sometimes the chocolate can be a bit difficult to stick to. So there we go. You've now got a chocolate Mickey Mouse. Or Minnie Mouse, depending on which one you want to call it.
Can I do it?
Yeah, of course you can. Just let me get the chocolate off this one, because you need it to run off the bottom. So you want it to drip. Can you see how it's dripping? You want to get rid of all that drip on your chocolate.
It's so going to be good, isn't it, Mummy?
It's going to be so good, Frankie Jack. So sometimes toilet run. This is what I do with strawberries, you see, when I've got my chocolate strawberries. So can you see that pool is coming down now?
Mummy?
So Frankie Jack's covering his now, as you can see. We're covering it in the bowl. Actually, you could do it that way, couldn't you? Have you covered all the mouse's ears? You need to cover all the mouse's ears. And then pick it up. And what do? Twiddle it a little bit, that's it.
Oh, mine really needs some.
Now, instead of putting it in the hundreds and thousands just yet, you want to leave it on your baking tray.
Oh.
Let's put that on the baking tray. Put those in the fridge. Excuse me, a little bit of chocolate on my t-shirt, but this is what you're going to do his hands. So you're going to go 1, 2, and that makes almost like his hands.
Can I make it?
1, 2, yes you can. I'll give you the scissors in just a moment. So those will be placed either side, which you'll see in a moment. And then, to make the actual bow, you want to take one of your multicoloured fizzy belts, and that's too long. So what I do is I chop it in half, and then I take a shoelace. So you want to roll it in the middle like a bow, can you see? And then you take this.
Then you put it in the middle.
Tie it like so.
Mommy!
Oh, well done. Little bow at the back, little tie at the back to keep it in place.
This is
And
mine,
then
not
cut
very
either
good.
side. So that hopefully
Where
will
do you
stay in
put
place.
it?
And then there's your bow. So you're going to put that at the top of the head in between the ears. That one I put too much shoelace around it, but you only need a couple of pieces. Can you see? So I'll just do another one. You take one that you've chopped in half. Very, very sugary are these. You're better with red, but all that Tesco's had yesterday was the multicoloured. So this is what I got. So you want to wind it round just a couple of times. And then you want to tie it at the top. Or at the back.
Mama, can you tie mine?
I will do in a minute, sweetheart. You put.
Oh, Mummy, I've cut it there.
And then.
Mummy, I've cut it.
Okay, you cut it that side.
What do I do with this?
You just want to eat it. That's what you want to do, isn't it? And then you make the bow like so. Right, go on, eat it. You can eat that. And that's how you make those. And then I'm going to put those together. So you're just waiting at the moment for them to, so you can see the hands. So I'll do two more hands for Mickey Mouse. You wanted to do it, didn't you? Can you see what I've done? So I've spaced the hands out. So you take it. So you need to take and you need to cut it there and there. Can you see what Mummy's done?
Yeah.
So you want to do it to the camera so everybody can see what you're doing. One, well done. Don't cut the finger off. Two, well done. And another one. So space those out, and those are his hands. So that's it. One. Two. Excellent. What I do is I take this out of the when it's setting, and I take the bit that's still on the bottom and I take it off like so. Because I don't know how you don't get that on the bottom. Other people, unless somebody can leave me a tip, Frankie Jack's going to eat the ends, and then I'll take it into the bowl of hundreds and thousands and roll it around so it just coats the bottom of the apple. And then that's how I get the bottom of the apple looking like Mickey Mouse. I'm just going to put that back in the fridge. So this is our Minnie and Mickey. Obviously you'll get little bits like this on them because they're not perfect, they're home. I'm not a professional at this, but just showing you what you can actually do, and I think they look really good. I'd take the sticks out if you can do a little bit earlier, but I couldn't because if I'd have touched them there would have been fingerprints on them. So excuse the mess around the back, but just showing you what they are finished like. I've just put it on a slate, and this can be delivered to the table or put on as a little treat. Frankie Jack did this one where they got, but it doesn't matter, that makes it all character, doesn't it? Character building, and they just look really good, and everything's a mess because of course we've been cooking in the kitchen, but we don't care because we love it, don't we? Thank you very much.
We don't care because it's that Daddy makes.
Daddy can tidy up. Don't do that because you'll break them. Please subscribe for free, and please share if you can. And we love having you on board. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Love you lots. See you later.